Hello traders. Today I have an exciting trade recap to share with you. In this video, I will dive into the trend trading and show you how I made a profit. Now, before we go into the trade details, let's talk about trend trading. It's all about identifying and riding the momentum of a stock's direction. By mastering this art, you can maximize your profits while minimizing the risk. To identify a trend, we utilize technical analysis tools. Specifically, we look for higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. These patterns helps us determine the overall market sentiment. When it's time to enter into the trade, we use a combination of market indicators such as moving averages and price action analysis to pinpoint the best entry point. With the trade on, it's essential to monitor it closely. We set our stop loss and take profit levels to manage our risk and ensure we lock in profits at the right time. Let's get into the chart. I'm showing Nasdaq futures E-mini. There are two charts in this view, a 5-minute chart which is on the left side and the 1-minute chart which is on the right side. Okay, so the market is very nice today for a long side of the trader. Okay, when the market opened at 8:30, before that, if you see the 5 minutes and from 8:10 onwards, the price is kind of moving up and slowly there is a formation of green candles coming into play. And if you see this chart, it has only two indicators. Okay? One is the fast moving average, which is very close to the candle, and then the slow moving average is a little bit far behind. Those are all the two indicators that you will see in this chart. Okay? So the view is a Hikinashi view. The Hikinashi view gives you it puts the candles in a trend formation. So I like it in front, and then I combine it with the indicators that gives me more confidence about when to enter, when to exit. If you see the 5-minute candle formations before the market opens, there were at least 3-4 candles nicely coming into play, and when the market opened, it just kind of pushed the price up from 837 to 871. There is about like $30 plus ranges there in that one 5-minute candle, and then the price kind of kept hitting 72, 73 multiple times, and then it broke down. Okay, and this is the low of the day, and if you look at the entire day, and this is the low of the day. Okay, and price was kept moving up only after that based on the 5-minute candle formation. Okay, so I did take a couple of trades. Let me go to the 1 minute first. Okay, so this is the 1-minute candle formation, and when the market opens, it was a bit of a slowdown here for the market to open, and then as soon as it opened, it just jumped up and then pushed the price up in the 1 minute itself towards 63, and then it kept keeping the price at 72. So whenever the price was kind of coming close to the moving average, it was jumping onto the trade and then closing the trade at 70, 71, 72. That gave me a nice opportunity to kind of make some amount of profits in the beginning of the day itself within 10 minutes of time. Okay, and then this break came down, and I don't trade on the short side, but the short side is pretty very much neat, and then it's kind of price keep coming down. This is the low of the day, and then again it picked up here. Okay, so the moving average will give you clear indications about when you have to jump into the trade, and I kind of jumped on it here, and then I was kind of trading this trend. I have included a live trade at the end of this video, and that live trade is taken over here. When the price was kind of hitting 55, 56, I took the trade. The idea behind taking the trade is if the price kind of breaks this moving average, and I'll be out of the trade. My risk is very minimal, in fact, like taking the entry at 55, 56, and if you see that $3-4 within $3-4, if the price breaks down below, and you just get out of that trade. That's the logic, and that's why I always take the entry at very close to the moving average. And the trade was closed somewhere here in I think 70, I think somewhere here in 71 or 72. there are about like $15 is captured, and from 56.55 to $15 probably like 71.72, that range it was closed. Okay, reason for closing the trade at 71 is because of this limitation here. Okay, I know that this price being above this moving average, it's going to push up from 55 to 71. So I put the exit towards 71, and then I kind of out of the market. That gave me nice $3,000 profit, 3,175 to be precise. Okay, but if I would have kept the trade running on, I probably would have given me another $3,000 in fact. Okay, the price was kind of moving up until 88. Okay. Nothing wrong, and it's all good in fact, and it's a very nice good trade, and I have included that in my at the end of this video, so please take a look at it. And then this is the nice move, like close to around like from 807 till 892. There are about like at least $90 ranges here without this moving average broken. Okay, if we jumped on it here, we just kept it open, and you would have seen at least minimum, to be precise, like at least $50 to $60 you would have seen in this entire range with one contract that's equivalent to the $1,000. And then there are a couple of points come into play, but these are all kind of very minor ones, and those minor ones are after 10:30, 10:40, and you can expect that after 11 o'clock the market will be a bit slow, and not much of a price movement, but the price was kind of kept moving and upside and upside and upside. Okay. And then this came into play, and this moving average, the 1 minute price be coming at 900, and then it is slowly moving towards 950, 960. So it's by 1:30 central time. Okay, and it's a very good day for long side traders, and I did kind of took multiple good trades, and the 5-minute chart is pretty awesome from the open. And in the middle of, in the beginning of the day, and then even in the middle of the day, it was kind of keep on moving upside. And even at the end of the session, like, at after 2 o'clock, it dropped, but it still kind of, captured half of it. It dropped from close to 980, 983, and then from there it dropped to 890, nearly like $100 range is there. And then it picked up, and then it, closed at 950. So at least 50% of the drop it kind of regained before the market kind of closed. So overall, it is a nice day for a long side of traders, and that's pretty visible in the 5-minute as well as 1 minute. There are multiple opportunity like yesterday for us to kind of jump in and then be on the trade, and then make profits and all of that. So that's what it is about today's recap and trade summary. And if you take a look at the live trade that I included at the end of the video that's coming up next, you will see where the entry is taken, and then why the exit was made at 71 as I explained, and all of that you will see. We'll see you next time in the another video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this trade recap, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest trading insights strategies. Until next time, good trade.